Let's solve this equation together. It says x raised to the power 6 is equal to 3 raised to the power 6. We're required to find the values for x, okay? Now, first things first, we can say from here that x raised to the power 6 minus 3 raised to the power 6 is equal to 0, okay? Now, this can be re-expressed if we have a raised to the power m or raised to the power of n is equal to a raised to the power m times n. Hence, this can be re-expressed as x raised to the power 3 raised to the power 2 because 3 times 2 is 6 minus 3 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 2. Again, 3 times 2 is 6 rather, and this is equal to 0. Alright? From here, we can now say that this is difference of two squares, okay? Following the law of difference of two squares, we have that a squared minus b squared, okay? So two squares and you're taking the difference of both of them is equal to a minus b times a plus b. Hence, from here, we would have this to be equal to x cubed minus 3 cubed multiplied by x cubed plus 3 cubed, right, to be equal to 0. Okay, now you now have difference of two cubes and sum of two cubes. Okay, for difference of two cubes, you're going to follow this step exactly because it's a law. All right, so we have that x cubed minus 3 cubed will be x minus 3 into x squared plus 3x plus 3 squared multiplied by x cubed plus 3 cubed is x plus 3 into x squared minus 3x plus 3 squared, and this is equal to 0. Alright, so moving on from here, we have x minus 3 into x squared plus 3x plus 9 multiplied by x plus 3 into x squared minus 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. Alright, now from here, when the product of two things are equal to 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. So if you put the times here, it's either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. Let's say that this is equal to 0, okay? So we say it can be either that this is equal to 0, hence we have that x minus 3 is equal to 0, implying that x is equal to 3. Or this is equal to 0, so we have x squared plus 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, so we use the quadratic equation formula to solve this quadratic equation. So we're going to have that x will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, so moving on from here, we have that our a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to 9. Hence, we now have that x will be equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 squared is 9 minus 4 times 9 times 1 is 36, okay, all over 2 times 1 is 2. This is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 27 minus all over 2. This is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root of negative 1 is I, so we have I times root of 27 can be expressed to be equal to 3 root 3, okay, so we have 3I root 3, okay, because 3 squared is 9 and 9 times 3 is 27 all over 2. So these are the values for x. All right, now let's find this next set of values for x. So the remainder of values for x is that x plus 3 is equal to 0, implying that x is equal to negative 3. Or, okay, the final one which says that x squared minus 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, again, we use the quadratic formula which you stated initially. So for here, a is 1, b is negative 3, okay, and c is equal to 9. All right, from here we are going to have that minus 3 is plus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 squared is 9 minus 4ac is 36 all over 2a is 2. This is equal to x. All right, moving on from here, we now have this to be 27, negative 27 again. Root of negative 27 is 3i root 3, so we have 3 plus or minus 3i root 3 all over 2 to be equal to x. Okay, so these are the series of answers for x in this question. Thanks for watching. I hope you understood. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.